Are you looking to boost your energy, support your workouts, and improve overall health with a natural superfood? Today we're diving deep into Valora Beetroot Powder 2026 edition to see if it really lives up to the hype. Before we continue, quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. I'm not selling this product, I'm reviewing it so you don't get misled. Valora Beetroot Powder claims to deliver all the benefits of beetroot, like increased nitric oxide production, better blood flow, endurance support, and antioxidant power in an easy mix and drink form. But does it actually work? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about what you get and how to use it. The powder comes in a finely milled form with no clumps, and it dissolves well in water, juice, or smoothies without a funky aftertaste. A typical serving gives you concentrated beetroot goodness, which may help support natural energy levels, circulation, and stamina, something runners, gym goers, and anyone wanting a natural performance edge are interested in. Many users say they notice a mild boost in endurance and less post-workout fatigue when taken consistently over weeks. It's also packed with betalains and antioxidants, which help fight inflammation and support overall well-being. Unlike full beet juice, you don't have to drink an entire bottle to get the benefits, and that convenience is a big plus if you're always on the go. Now let's cover pros and cons so you can decide if it's right for you. On the plus side, Valora Beetroot Powder is easy to use, tastes manageable, and mixes smoothly with your favorite drinks. Users report noticeable improvements in energy and endurance, especially during workouts or longer hikes. It's also a natural, plant-based supplement with minimal additives, which appeals to people who prefer whole foods over synthetic pills. On the downside, some users feel the effects are subtle unless you use it daily and pair it with a balanced diet and exercise plan. A few also say that compared to beetroot juice, the punch feels less intense, though that's expected with a powdered form. Overall, if you're after natural energy support, better circulation, and a convenient way to get beetroot benefits, Valora Beetroot Powder holds up well in 2026. If this review helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews like this.